Hello TechwareLabs readers. Today we're going to take a look at a tablet PC made by the Matsunichi Corporation. It's called the LePan 2. Comes in this very nice attractive packaging with some basic information about the product on the back. What it tells you here is it has a front-facing camera at 2.0 megapixels. Comes with Bluetooth like most tablets come. It is a 9.7 inch display at 1024 by 768. It is a capacitive touch display. It does have GPS built in. It has a 6800 milliampere hour battery built in, which equivocates to around 7 hours worth of video at 720p. It does have the capability of doing external HDMI video via a 30-pin cable. That would be at 1080p. Let's take a look at the unit itself. As you can see, it is a 9.7 inch model, 4.3 aspect ratio. It is a very nice looking model. One of the actually best finishes, fit and finish of all the tablets that I've seen. Has a front facing cam with an ambient light sensor. On the top edge you have your power button, hold for screen rotation, up and down volume button, a card slot, which on this model has micro SD, which allows expandability up to 32 gig, and then next to it on the 3G versions you'd have another slot for your SIM card. Here's your charge port, which also allows via optional cabling to do Ethernet as well as the aforementioned HDMI, and then of course your headphone jack. What you see on the back here is a loop for a wrist strap. That's included in the box as well, along with a polishing cloth, which anybody who has a glossy finish tablet knows they attract fingerprints, and then of course a quick start guide that explains how to use the tablet and some basics. In terms of weight, it is identical at 680 grams to the Transformer TF101. One of the things we should mention is the back is actually brushed aluminum as opposed to most tablets that have a plastic back. I like this a lot better. It feels better in your hands, will resist scratches and wear much better than plastic. You also don't have as much worries about denting and damaging the internal components as you would with a plastic backed tablet. The logo is done in chrome very nicely on the back. The sides are also chromed but plastic. The front is a glossy display, very high resolution, very vibrant colors, no issues there at all. As we get to the actual tablet itself, you can see that switching between screens is quite quick. Getting to the included applications is also very quick. In terms of benchmarks, the benchmarks that we ran put this actually slightly ahead of the Transformer. Internally, what we have is a Qualcomm 1.2 dual core CPU with 1 gig of RAM and 8 gig standard onboard memory. Like I said, it comes with Bluetooth, has extensions to allow you to do headsets, transfer of files, etc. This is one of the better models that we've seen. In the box is also a small charger via USB to 30-pin cable. This charger has a flip-out power connector, so it folds up and is very nice to transport. It's very light, very small. One of the things that's surprising about this is being actually so small, it does not get warm. That has pluses and minuses to it. On the plus side, it's going to last a lot longer for you because it does not get hot. On the downside, it will not charge your tablet as quickly. However, we have yet to have a real problem with that. It'll charge the tablet fully in around 2 hours. Discharge, like I said, is around 7 hours using 720p video. If you're doing intensive gaming or something else, the discharge rate is going to be faster than that. Of course, if you enable wireless or Bluetooth, again, even faster. Stay tuned to our website for a full in-depth review of the LePan 2, as we'll be benchmarking it and throwing it through a couple of hoops. We should also mention that the Matsunichi Corporation has the release of the LePan 3 scheduled for Q2, Q3 of 2012, so just shortly here. And then also there is a TC 706 and 707 model which by its name is a 7-inch 16:9 aspect ratio tablet that has just as fine a finish, and it's very nice. We saw it at CES. The retail price on this is around $349 with a $299 street price. If you search online, you may actually get a better price than that. It is available through Amazon, Tiger Direct, Newegg, all your major online retailers. So take a look at our website, www.TechwareLabs.com, for the full review, as well as follow-up reviews on the TC 706 and 707 Explorer series from Matsunichi Corporation. Thanks for tuning in, TechwareLabs readers, and we'll have more coverage for you in the coming days.